Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many other national and international exams. Now, in this Olympiad math problem, that is root of a plus 1 plus root of b plus 1 equals 5 and the root of a minus 1 plus root of b minus 1 equals 4. Consider this is as equation 1 and this is as equation 2. Now we will add both equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 and equation 2. We get root of a plus 1 and plus root of b plus 1 plus root of a minus 1 plus root of b minus 1 equals 5 plus 4. Now root of a plus 1 plus root of a minus 1, this is the first part, plus root of b plus 1 plus root of b minus 1 equals 5 plus 4, that is 9. So root of a plus 1 plus root of a minus 1, consider this as x plus this as y and that equals 9. This is equation x and y, so we will write the values of x and y here. X equals root of a plus 1 plus root of a minus 1 and y equals root of a b plus 1 plus root of b minus 1 and x plus y is 9. Now after this we will solve this as, consider we have another thing that we take, consider this as we have root of a plus 1 then plus root of a minus 1 and into root of a plus 1 minus root of a minus 1 and this equals, now this will become equals root of this will equals root of a plus 1 and its square plus minus minus root of a minus 1 square and this equals, and this side equals, this is considered as x, so this is x and root of a plus 1, we will write this here as x into root of a plus 1 and minus root of a minus 1. So this will become a plus 1 minus a plus 1. A and a are cancelled out, we have only 2 and this is x. So root of a plus 1 minus root of a minus 1, x is multiplied, it will be divided. So this is the value 2 by x. So we write here as root of a plus 1 minus root of a minus 1 equals 2 by x. Similarly, root of b plus 1 minus root of b minus 1 equals 2 by y. After this, we have two equations when we subtract equation 1 and 2. So by subtraction, root of a plus 1 minus root of a minus 1 plus root of b plus 1 minus root of b minus 1 equals 5 minus 4. This one equals 2 by x and this one equals 2 by y equals 1. Take LCM, that is xy. 2 is taken as common, so y plus x equals 1. But we have xy equals 2 of x plus y, that is 9. So xy equals 18. Now we have find out the value of x and y, that is 18. Now substitute the value of y here. Get value of y from this, that x plus y equals 9. So y equals 9 minus x equals 18. Then this will become minus x square plus 9x equals 18. So we have x square minus 9x plus 18 equals 0. Make the factors of this one as we have x square minus 9x plus 18. So x square minus 6x minus 3x plus 18 equals 0. Take x as common. X minus 6 minus 3 as common, so x minus 6. We get x minus 6 and x minus 3. Both are equal 0. We get two values, x equals 6, x equals 3. These are the two values, that x equals 6 and x equals 3. So y equals 9 minus 6, that is 3. So y equals 9 minus 3, that is 6. It's mean that we have order pair of x and y. Write as x equals 6, y equals 3, x equals 3, y equals 6. So these are the order pairs. Now we will solve this further as we will add both the equations. So a plus 1 and other is also root of a plus 1 and plus a minus 1 root of other one is root of a plus 1 minus root of b minus 1, that equals a plus 1 is x and this one will be, so we have x of by x and the other one is 2 by x. So we will solve this as this will become when we add both of them. So this is also a. So this and this are cancel out and we get 2 of a plus 1 and this will be 2 of a plus 1 will be equals, we get by substituting the value of x, that is x value, we substitute its value or take the LCM. So x square plus 2 divided by x. Now substitute the value of x, that is 3. So 9 plus 2, this will be 3. So we have, or we will substitute the value of x, that will be, substitute value of x is 6, 6 plus 2 by 6. So this will be 6 plus 1 by 3. So 19 by 3 is 2 root of a plus 1. Now we will solve this further here and get result as we get root of a plus 1 equals 19 by 2 into 3 is 6. Taking root a plus 1, taking square on both sides, a plus 1 equals 19 square over 6 square. So a plus 1 equals 36 by 19 square is 289. Divided by 36. A equals 289 by 36 minus 1. So 289 by 36 will equals, then we will get this as, by taking minus 1, we get the answer as square of 19 will be 361. So 361 by 36 minus 1. So we get equals 325 by 36. After finding the value of A, we can easily find the value of B also. So B will be, since we have two equations as, so B will be equals as, we will write this as, write the final answer that B will be 85 by 36. Now we will write the final answer. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned, keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video.